Na Amba Farmers voice this.
Amazonia waka waka. Mesumene koyo mezambu idoga mantu kupemani nkuba fako manyuli biale momonjango ketunya land of freedom, the land of milk and honey, land of plenty.
Mommy, Papa, brothers and sister. This week, I want may we all man open your ears and find. May we learn how we fit do we on this. We fit do we on mixing them for protect with tomato. How we fit make we on just turn around we so that wish as the way we make them for kitchen carry and go through them. Where we fit take and make medicine there, protect with tomatoes, and then we unchop the grew, big chop where they don't over put this medicine there for day. This medicine the way they over put them for chop, it even bring we sick. Where we fit make we think them for just go around her so turn for wash eyes or for any other thing them. The day plenty. Make we compost manure them for put them for we chop run this medicine. And even you make them that way, you will sell your thing. See 5 francs for your hand. You do one work tomatoes where sometimes you need you will want sell them even for 100,000. You don't put medicine where you don't buy them for day like 80,000. That means say you do work now for no nothing. So I beg, may we open we ears them this week for corner with TV will make this thing there. May they help we for sick and may you make your thing sell them so get 5 francs. Money no first day. They don't make her we spend all more. They don't make them we run she don't inside bush. They no work farm. They no do this. You will start one work something now. We'll get money for outside for the buy that that makes in the way they be too high and they get over sick for day. So at the back, mommy, papa, brother, sister, may all man open the ear fine. When you hear, because no all man hear all these things them. When you hear the thing, talk for your sister, talk for your brother. Now love will make we don't find for Amba. When we fight get with land, it's there for inside we hand. Now love will make we day together. Because when you hear something where you help your brother or your sister, your mommy, your papa, you tell it and you go she don't for down. So if you learn up, see how we do them, you go she don't for down, learn it, say now so we do them. So that may all we join. Build that country where they don't destroy them.
Amazonia waka waka. Mesumene koyo mezambu idoga mantu kupemani nkuba fako manyuli biale momonjango ketunya land of freedom, the land of milk and honey, land of plenty. Woyo ayamana mazunino uyabamenda ayamana mazunino akwa bane ayamana mazunino bale bane uku bakola ayamana mazunino unombe yeme ayamana mazunino alokitiwu ayamana mazunino meji koropa destiny can be delayed but can never be changed. Now you way Amazonia, you don't work a suitcase, go for Nigeria, work a go to Cameroon, and you don't decide now to come settle for your own house. That is your destiny. Tata very well, I'm going with Amazonia. We are blessed to